Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram profile private on Android or iOS in 2020 and beyond. So for this, all you need to do is open up the Instagram app on your phone and then click on the three horizontal lines right there. And then click on settings. Now once you do that, you should be able to find privacy. So once again, that's right there. You want to click on that and then you'll find account privacy right there. You can see that right now my account is public, but if you want to make your account private, basically all you need to do is do what I just did and then click on account privacy. Then right there you'll find an option to turn on your private account. If you then enable that, click on OK. You will now have a private Instagram profile. So that's how you can change from public to private. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can create or switch to a private Instagram account. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if this works for you. I would appreciate that as well. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.